Steps to take for you to make money in forex trading. Follow it and you will be successful in forex trading. I'm not going to take much of your time. Number one step is your candlestick confirmation. Most people tend not to listen to the markets. Like I always say, it's my own proverb. Don't say that this person said that this way, but it's my own personal proverb. You listen to the market, look at the market, know the way manipulators try to deceive you. The first step that we are going to treat here today is candlestick confirmation. Now, watch this. From what you are seeing, this is just the normal movement in forex trading. This is the normal movement in forex trading. Now, we have our support line here, and this is our resistance line. For those of you that don't know what they call a support line is where the buyers come in to buy for them to push the market upwards. Now, this is the most important place for every forex trader. If you're a forex trader, this place is the most important place. Like your resistance and your support, they are the most important places to buy or sell. As a trader, you dare not buy the market around this place. These professionals, they trade in the higher time frame. That is the monthly. I don't know if you are seeing this thing. I don't know if you are seeing it. That is the monthly time frame. I don't know. I'm trying to write it the other way around to see if you see it. Anyway, all of you know what they call the monthly time frame. This, assuming that this is the monthly candle. Those manipulators that you're scared of that have been making you to run away from the market, that I'm not going to trade this market, I'm not going to trade this market. This is what they do. When they get to the support zone, they tend to push the market below for you to feel that this market is going to downside. It's going to the downside. But actually, what they are trying to do is to form a wick, which is called a hammer. Did you get it? What they are trying to do is to form a wick and close this candle as a hammer, in the sense, when we understand, I think you should know this, hammer is a bullish reversal trend triangle that tends to push this market upwards. But most times, some people will go and put their stop losses here, take profits here, buying here, without allowing this market to finish what it has already started. You don't rush the market. The first step I'm teaching you today is never rush the market. Psychologically, if you've learned this market, I've really been in so many seminars, I've built my psychology in the sense that when the market gets to this place, it might not even be that day that I'll buy it. Yes. Don't be surprised that this market, before it pushes to the upside, let me just clean this, not to deceive you. Before this market pushes to the upside, it will take like 3 months. But in the smaller time frame, this is what they will be doing. This is what they will be doing. They will try to deceive you, to tell you that this market is not going to the upside. I want you to learn that. Manipulators use it a lot. They use it a lot to manipulate the market, in the sense to trap so many sellers. When they trap so many sellers, they will push the market to the upside. That's the number one step that I'm teaching you. Why are you rushing the market? If you ask me, do not rush the market. Wait for this market. Wait for this candle to form. Wait for that bullish candle to form in the support zone. After forming, the next one is the confirmation candle, which is the next candle. Most times you will see a market that is like this after from the upside. When it gets to this place, it will just form a hammer and form a confirmation candle and come back to retest. After this, I will teach you the retest strategy for you to understand, and come back to retest for the continuation to the upside. If you learn this strategy, you're a successful trader. Just try it in your demo account. Try it in that demo account. You will see that most times it bounces on top of this place and moves up. But whereas, what are you to do? Wait for the hammer candle or a bullish candle to form first. Now, let's move to the next one, which is the retest strategy. Just give me a few times. Let me just clean this. Few minutes. Sorry, I said a few times. Few minutes. I need to clean this. Okay. So now let's treat the retest strategy. I've taught this retest strategy in one of my seminars, but let's just say that I'm doing it for free online. They pay for this, but let me just do it for you online here. Now, let's check this out. Look at what they do. Looking at this market, sorry for the light. Is the light disturbing you? Let me just try and work on it. Let me see. Okay. Still disturbing you. Okay. Wow. Still disturbing you. Okay, don't worry, let me change this light. Okay, we're back. I think we've solved the problem now. Now, let me put this very well. Sorry for that though. So, looking at this, what are these marketers trying to tell you? That the market has reversed in these supports. Checking it out, the market came from the top, formed a double bottom. If you understand what we call a double bottom, I did it in my last lesson, but I've not posted it. I will still post it for you to see it though. But my students will understand this. This is a double bottom, but if you've been long in forex, you're supposed to know what they call a double bottom. This is a double bottom that they try to bring down the market to deceive you that this market is going down. Mind you, they won't close a longer term candle of, let me say, daily candle or weekly candle below this support zone. When a weekly candle closes below the support zone, just know that the support is broken. Look for a sell signal. It might be a bearish candle, it might be a bearish pin bar, but once this candle closes below a support zone for the weekly, look for a bearish sign. No matter what some channels will be telling you, no matter what some people will tell you, look for a bearish sign, because your support zone is mostly a demand zone that buyers come in to buy. Now, buyers couldn't push this market up. It broke. Sorry, we are not talking about this though. So buyers couldn't push this market up. It broke the support zone. Now, those buyers would automatically turn to sellers. Now, those buyers, what are they to do? They will close their buy positions and open sell positions for it to move down further. This is what happens in forex, in the sense that you will say that I've seen a hammer here, but it's not moving up. You can still as well see a hammer here, see a candle here, but the candle will still go down, close below. In forex, we trade what is happening. You trade what you are seeing on the chart. Never you trade with news. Some people trade fundamental, but some people are good in that. But I bet you 80% of fundamental doesn't work out. I bet you 80% of fundamental doesn't work out. So I will advise you, trade what you see. Don't trade with any channel, because this is the way those channels trade. Those people that have been sending those signals, this is the exact way they trade. The market is just all about your support and resistance, your demand and supply zone. Do you understand? That is what it's all about. Trade what you see in the market. Candlestick is not enough. The reason why I say that candlestick is not enough, most times you find yourself in a situation, in a confused state of mind. Should I put it like that? Sorry for my grammar, I'm not that good, but I'm trying. You see yourself in this state of mind that you see a hammer here, and after everything, the market will start going down. So, candlestick is good when you see it in the right place. Number one, you don't see a hammer candle in the resistance zone and expect the market to be bullish. This is a supply stroke resistance zone that sellers come in to sell the market and push it to the downside. This is not the zone that you buy. No. If you can't buy here, you have missed that particular trade. And mind you, there are millions of trades in the market that you can still trade in your lifetime. So you don't need to rush the trade. That's number one thing I thought. Mind you, now, let's go back to this place. So, they couldn't deceive some people though, because some people already know what they are doing. Some people will just go deep down and put their stop loss line low below and put their take profit high. But if you still check from this place to this place, it's still a kind of a good risk to reward ratio, in the sense that if it goes in your favor, you still make a whole lot of money. If it goes against you, you just lose small money, not big money, like not putting your stop loss, like the way you're going to lose money when you don't put your stop loss. So now, assuming that they couldn't close this market below, after everything, the market formed a hammer and started going up. Sorry, I'm just trying to make it neat as I can. And started going up. This is where you buy. Now, when you buy, most times, when this market crosses this place, it will come back to retest, form W pattern, double bottom pattern, or head and shoulder pattern for it to continue to the upside. This is the way the market moves. This has been the way the market has been traded for years by professionals. This is the truth in forex. Most people might not tell you this, but this is what happens in forex. And mind you, this video is not for professionals. This video is for those people that are still new in forex, that are, maybe you are confused that you've invested some huge amount of money in it and you lose it. I'm telling you, it's just because you are not following this strategy. In fact, we have many strategies, but this strategy is one of the strategies that is well known in forex. The retest strategy. What is this retest strategy? Let's go back again. The market's moving down, bouncing on the support, moving up, coming back to retest this particular support. This made it a support. Coming back to retest this particular support, then moving up. What are you to see here for you to know that this market is ready to push up? A hammer candlestick or a bullish engulfing pattern. Are we following? Or a bullish engulfing pattern. So this is all about the retest strategy. Like what I did, please support my channel, subscribe to my channel, like the video. It helps me to build up more good informations about forex. We are here to make money. Please support my channel, support my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want me to bring out more topics for you that will help you to make a whole lot of money from forex trading. Don't be scared about forex. Follow, just subscribe me, put on the bell notification. I'll be giving you some good videos that will help you to make a whole lot of money in forex. Thank you.